A backyard movie night can turn an ordinary evening at home into something everyone looks forward to. These 15 finds cover the viewing setup, comfortable seating, snacks, cold drinks, and a few outdoor extras. Quick note before we begin. Some links in this video are affiliate links. If you make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. We'll begin with everything needed to create a reliable outdoor viewing setup, from the projector and screen to sound, streaming, and power. This outdoor 4K projector creates the large, bright picture that makes a backyard movie night feel like a real theater experience. A 180-inch projector screen gives everyone a generously sized viewing area, making it easier to enjoy a clear picture from across the yard. Keeping the projector stable and properly positioned is much easier with an adjustable tripod stand that can be raised to the ideal viewing height. Favorite movies and streaming apps can go straight to the big screen with a 4K streaming stick, without needing a separate entertainment system. To make sure everyone can hear the movie clearly, a powerful portable Bluetooth speaker fills the backyard with dialogue, music, and cinematic sound. When an outlet is inconvenient or too far away, a portable power station can keep the projector and other movie night equipment running. Extra reach is often essential outside, and this heavy-duty 25-foot extension cord helps bring dependable power closer to the viewing area. For added protection around outdoor connections, a weather-resistant safety cover helps shield joined plugs from moisture, dirt, and accidental separation. Once the show is ready, these comfortable seating choices, snack helpers, cold drink storage, and outdoor extras complete the experience. Settling in for a full-length movie feels much more relaxing with an inflatable lounge chair and matching ottoman designed for laid-back comfort. Guests who prefer sitting on the lawn can spread out on a waterproof picnic blanket that adds softness while helping block damp grass underneath. Snacks, drinks, remotes, and extra blankets stay within easy reach on a 2-tier folding camp table with additional storage underneath. Nothing makes movie night feel more complete than fresh popcorn, and a stirring popcorn popper helps produce a generous, evenly popped batch. Serving popcorn in reusable movie night buckets gives everyone their own snack container and adds a playful theater-style touch. Cold drinks can remain nearby throughout the entire movie in a rolling cooler cart that saves repeated trips back inside. Flying insects are less likely to interrupt the evening when rechargeable solar bug zappers are placed around the movie area. With the right picture, sound, seating, snacks, and outdoor extras, almost any backyard can become a cozy theater for family and friends. Check the links below to see all 15 finds, and subscribe for more helpful ideas from Pamela's Best Finds.